right, good afternoon, Cedric.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for bringing us here to
Michael.
your PcVue booth.
Thank you.
Can you please tell us more about your company?
Sure. So our company is called PcVue. Okay, we are a software editor. What we do is we develop a software that is normally accessible in a control room. Okay, so from this control room, we retrieve the data that's coming from all the different sensors, actuators, fields, and all the things that we can monitor and control. Okay, so normally we have a view like this in the control room. Okay, and then so for example, you can see a mimic. Okay, and then you control your things. Okay, but right now what we are promoting and the real innovation here is that we're taking out all this process data that is normally confined to the control room, and we're putting it up outside to the mobile user. So the mobile user are carrying a mobile phone like this, okay, and they're moving around their facility. They don't have necessarily access to all this process data from the control room. So when they're moving around, we actually locate them, you know, on a geo-tracking map. We locate them even if they're outdoor or indoor. So even if they're indoor, we have different IB cones or NFC tag and so on. And because they are close to those small devices, we can track them. So you can see the icon, you know where they are, okay? And then, and then because we can track them, the SCADA control system send them the information that is relevant to them. So here I'm close to this IB cone. I have a certain set of data that is accessible by me, also according to my user profile. Okay, and because of that, then I can interact with the machine. So in this case, it's a chiller. Okay, so I can have the data for this chiller based on my location. Okay, and based on my user profile. Then I can also interact by giving message back to the control room to say that I'm here, everything is okay. I can send a picture of the equipment that needs to be maintained or needs to be repaired, and so on. So it becomes really interactive both ways, because today also in the control room we see sometimes there's nobody, okay, because they are moving around the facility. So we give you know, power to the mobile user, but not too much, just according to his right and his location. And you don't have to, we eliminate the need of navigation, because we only give you the data that is in your surrounding, for your surrounding, okay? So no navigation on small device, which is not practical. And best of all as well, you don't need to have 2 apps, 3 apps, 4 apps, 10 apps, because you have a chiller system from this brand or you have a lighting system from another brand. We gather all this information because that's what we do. It's our SCADA background. We gather all this information in one place, and this information is available to the mobile user with one single app. Okay, so that's the idea of it.
Yes, that's a very good advantage. I can see that. So
that's an innovation. Actually, nobody else is doing that.
That's good. That's good. May I know how big is the company? How many people?
Well, it's a group of 100 people. Okay, so the headquarters is in France, and we have subsidiaries, branches around the world. Okay, on the 5 continents. So in Asia, we are located. The regional headquarters is in Malaysia. We have an office here in Singapore as well. We have one in Japan and one in China.
Wow, that's good. That's good. And based on your experience and your know-how, what kind of challenge that you face in terms of talents, you know, to seek the talents in these regions?
Yeah. So yeah, this is one of the challenges that we are facing. Actually, it's not easy to find you know, the right people, the right programming with the right programming skills if we're doing software programming or even sales, because it's kind of difficult. It depends where we are. In Malaysia, we have an issue to find the right people. But I mean, we go through university. We have some links with a French company, with a Malaysian French institute. So they have a bit of French background. Sometimes we like that, but not necessarily. So we employ all kind of people, but usually educated, you know, at degree level or master level, to do technical support, programming tasks, and eventually even engineers for sales. Because we can't sell this kind of system without a technical background.
And what's your advice for the young talents out there who embark into this field? What kind of advice, personal advice that you would like to give to them?
Wow. Well, I think they should go out on the field, not be scared to go out on the field and put your hands a bit in the dust and try all different systems, because everything is different, but nothing replaces hands-on experience on the field for industrial, industrial installation. Hands-on experience, trying, sweating a bit with systems that don't work and make it work, and you gain a lot of exposure and confidence. And confidence is the key. Once you're confident, you know you're gonna get to the end of the problem.
Thank you, Cedric, for your
All right.
good
Thanks a lot, Michael.
information.
No problem. Thank you.